Hello friends, good afternoon. In this video, we'll be showing you that how do you manage your risk, either the max profit side or either the max loss side at your account level with the Stoxxo. Now, this area particularly explains all the M2M that is falling in from your overall account and either of the source the trade is executed, that it could be the broker's mobile application or it could be the broker's platform or through any external source that you may have executed the trades upon, but you want risk management to be taken as a secondary protocol here at the overall account level. So now let me execute some trades for your convenience and let me show you quickly that how do we have the management here. Let's say, for example, I've executed the trade relevant to the crude, the bank nifty and Sensex. So it comprises of MCX, NFO and BFO. Okay, now herein you are seeing the M2M which is moving in. Trades have been executed. Now let us quickly understand the settings available. So either you can straight away go and set up the max profit and max loss, whatever value you want. If you want to be segment specific, then you have settings and options available here. Now quickly go to the appearance tab. And herein you will find that user M2M enabled exchanges. So either you will see the single box or the complete boxes. So whatever you want, whatever segment M2M you want it to be shown here or considered here, you can select those. So for example, right now for my convenience, I'm selecting all of it. Plus below that you see a small box that says on user square off only above selected exchange. Below that you also see that on user square off for options hold long positions. So in this case, if it is ticked, it will hold the long positions for a maximum period of 2 seconds, or you have a drop down selection of sell, fill, partial sell, but the maximum wait time would be 2 seconds in whatever criteria. Below that, you see that on user square off leave options long positions. So when you click that, you get a choice of putting across the buy price, you get a choice of putting across the LTP, and plus you get a choice of putting in the value of the strike price that you're looking at, not closing it on user square off. So you have a choice of various factors here that you can select, but right now to keep it simple, I'm just selecting all the segments and squaring off those particular segments. Okay, so first is that you also have a window of time based square off, like if you can define that time at 310, 325, you can select that and you can put it across. If you are not willing to do that, then the second area is straight away you falling into the maximum loss, maximum profit, plus this particular thing would work on the user square off as well, manual square off when you do it. Plus you get to see here the NRML square off, which is like when you click that, you see the option of all as well as today. So all means that all the position that exist in your account, it could be your long old carry forwarded position, or you want Stoxxo to consider only today's position. So when you click that, it would select only today's executed positions. You also have a choice of clicking across a box which says that enable CNC square off. So in case you don't want your NEC segment to be considered your equity stocks, you don't want it to be considered, so you can keep it unticked, but if you want, you can tick that. So by default it comes as ticked, so make sure that you go through all the fields and understand your settings and synchronize it according to your needs. Okay, so now for example, let us go back to this value, and right now what we see is a positive M2M. So let me quickly fire up the value as 13 lakhs. Okay, so immediately you can see that now these values can be changed over the fly if it is not executed. So it would be in place, because the moment I feed it in the value, immediately you could see that my square off was initiated because it executed that level. So now you would see, let us go to the multi-leg tab, and we would see that every entire position is squared off now. All the portfolios has come to a standstill and you see M2M's not moving further. The same thing implies for the strategy tag level as well. So everything we had in the account is squared off here. Okay, the strategies tag area specifically considers only the trades which are executed from the Stoxxo level, for which there would be a separate video falling in. But today's video was targeted towards explaining the maximum profit and the maximum loss management with the Stoxxo of the overall account safety. So this is a secondary protocol. Use it wisely, understand it, that how it functions, and then you are good to go. So we hope this video was clear enough for you to understand how the user settings maximum profit and maximum loss works, the maximum loss wait second works, how does the profit logging work at the overall account safety level. So thank you friends, thank you for watching. Stay tuned, stay subscribed.